This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up VWAP on Thinkorswim. First, open any chart on your Thinkorswim platform. Next, locate and click the Studies icon, which resembles a small beaker, typically found near the top right of your chart window. From the menu that appears, select the option to Add Study. This action will open a new window where you can search for indicators. Once the Add Study window opens, you will see a search bar. Type VWAP into this search field to quickly find the volume weighted average price indicator. From the list of results, select VWAP. After selecting it, click the Add Selected button to apply this powerful indicator directly onto your active chart. This process is straightforward and takes only a few moments. After adding VWAP, you might want to customize its appearance. Click the small gear icon next to the VWAP study in your Edit Studies window. Here, you can adjust the aggregation period, perhaps setting it to day for intraday trading. You can also change the line color, thickness, or style to make it stand out more clearly on your chart. These adjustments help tailor the indicator to your specific visual needs. The volume weighted average price, or VWAP, represents the average price a security has traded at throughout the day, weighted by volume. It helps traders identify the true average price and potential areas of support or resistance. Many traders use VWAP for intraday decisions, often looking for price to revert to or bounce off this key level. It's a valuable tool for understanding market sentiment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.